everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today we're going to take a look at a gorgeous 1955 Ford Customline. Gorgeous car, guys. This car has just undergone a complete frame-off restoration within the last year. Beautiful car, man. As we walk around this thing, I think you'll just fall in love with it because this car is beautiful. Bought it from a buddy of mine down in Tennessee. It's a car to me that just jumps at me. It's got a great look to it. It's the original mountain green. It's got the factory turquoise interior. It's got the the car's kind of restored to original, but they've done a few things to it to make it more drivable. They've added front disc brakes and power steering, and then of course they've lowered it down and put just a beautiful set of Billet Specialties wheels all the way around it. But great car, man. It's got gorgeous stainless on the car, beautiful paint, just a pretty car. And like I say, a fresh car. This car has all been done within the last year. A little stone peck I can see there. Probably one of the most impressive things to me was just all the chrome and stainless on this car. It is beautiful. Paint slick. There's not a whole lot for me to really pick at on this car. It's got a real pretty color combination. Look at all the chrome and stainless. It's just pretty. Glass is nice. This is a well done car, guys. Trim on that car, and it is just nice. Like I say, there's not a whole lot that I can really pick at on the car, guys. Love the wheels, man. Car sits down. They've actually changed to a 10-bolt GM rear end, so they can do that. They can put a bigger wheel and tire underneath it. It's got the Billet Specialties all the way around it. Brand new rubber. All new chrome, stainless. Spent a lot of money spent on this car, guys. And it shows it. I mean, turn the key, take it right to a car show. You can see they've changed it, they converted it to front disc brakes. It's got the slotted and drilled rotors in it. They're on it. Car's pretty much bone stock underneath the hood. I think these are 272 cubic inch engines. It's got the automatic trans. Again, they've changed it to power steering, power disc brakes. Got the original oil bath on it. Just a great car. Look how nice the dash is in there. New door handles. A little pitting there. Dust on the interior. New carpet, new sill plates. Love the interior in this car. Steering wheel's gorgeous. Showing 24,857. I'm sure that's 124. Original data tag. Jay pointed that out for me. You see how nice all the gauges and everything are on this car though? Very, very nice. Dual exhaust, again, it's a 10-bolt rear end in it. It's it's not a big gear, you know, probably like a 323 guys. Definitely something you get on the expressway and drive. Factory jack with the spare. I mean, literally, this car, you turn the key, take it right to the car show. It's that kind of car. Just as nice underneath. You see the new fuel tank. It's all painted satin black underneath. Beautiful car. I love the dash on this car, man. It's just a work of art. Everywhere you look, this car's just nice. Car just runs out excellent, drives good. Fuel gauge works. No on the radio. I'm assuming that didn't hurt. Right. Blower motor, Jay?
Yep, blower
does hurt. Yeah, we're not the best with radios. The wipers, I'm sure, assuming are not going to work, guys. I'm sure in this year they're probably vacuum. Yeah, and make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Facebook page, or as always, feel free to pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. Man, is that a beautiful car. I mean, just laser straight. Have a great day, guys.